Hello Paul, as promised I have completed the milestone number 2 and I am demonstrating you the functionalities of milestone 2. So as you can see, this splash screen is right there. Now let's create a new user. So I'm hitting register yourself. So let's fill up this registration form. I'm filling up the form. Okay, now I'm hitting the register now button. So it says that it has sent an OTP to my email ID. I need to find the OTP and enter the code here. This is for the verification of my email ID. So let me go to my mail. So you can see I have got a mail that says email validation. So I'm clicking on that. And here's the OTP. The OTP is 9291. So it's a 4-digit OTP. 9291. So I'm going back. Nine 291. Okay, and now I'm hitting verify. So it says email verification is done. Now I need to wait for the approval because the admin needs to approve it. Once the admin approves my account, then only I'll be able to log in. So let me go to the admin section. So let me try the admin section as well and see whether this new user or new account request has been received or not. So admin 1 2 3 sorry, it's 1 2 3. Okay, so I'm logging into admin section now as an admin. So now the admin logs in and now he hits the new user button. So all the new registrations will appear here and you can see that the latest one is Rex Brown. I'm talking about the last one, Rex Brown aranatechno@gmail.com. So I'm clicking on it. I can see the details and now I'm approving it. So now it is approved. If I go back and I click on new user again, see that record is gone because it is approved now. So once this becomes approved, then from new user it goes to the old user. Old users are the regular users. So now it has become a regular user. So I can show you that. I can go to the old user now and see, you can see this Rex Brown's record is right here. So now Rex Brown has become a permanent user of this app. So his credentials are approved by the admin. Now Rex Brown should be able to log in. So let me check that. Okay, so the username was my email and password was rex123. I'm hitting the login button and see I'm able to log in. So in milestone 2 we have completed all the functionalities about user registration, user login, about OTP, about the admin section, about the approval of the new user, old user, all that stuff. So we have completed the functionalities as per the scope of work of milestone 2. So I'm sending you this I'm sending you the source code of this particular app up to this particular milestone, and I'll be sending you the invoice as well. Thank you.